Parkash Singh Badal has returned his Padma Vibhushan award in protest against the Farm Act, the Three Farm Act that was passed. In fact, yesterday we also told you how there was a series of sportsmen and athletes. It was an announcement, in fact, made by the Farmers Union in presence of Yogendra Yadav that more sports persons are going to return their awards. But the latest news coming in is that Parkash Singh Badal has returned his Padma Vibhushan over the farmers' protest over the passage of the farm bills and the Farm Act. Parkash Singh Badal also said that I feel so poor that I do not have much else to sacrifice to express solidarity with the farmers' cause. This is a statement coming in from Parkash Singh Badal after he returned his Padma Vibhushan award. He's saying, I owe everything to farmers. I am who I am because of them. No point holding on to the honors if farmers are dishonored. We have Amandeep joining us on the phone line right now to give us more details about this big breaking development. Parkash Singh Badal has returned his Padma Vibhushan award. Amandeep, what more details can you get us?
Yes, exactly. Parkash Singh Badal has returned his Padma Vibhushan just because the Shromani Akali Dal from the very first day protesting against these farm laws, and that's why Harsimrat Kaur Badal has surrendered her ministry, and in fact Shromani Akali Dal has withdrawn their support from NDA government, and this is a very major step from the side of Akali Dal to support the farmers, just because from the very first day of these Farm Acts, Parkash Singh Badal remained silent on this entire issue. In fact, Sukhbir was very much outspoken, Harsimrat Kaur Badal was very much outspoken, but Parkash Singh Badal, who remained the Chief Minister for several years of Punjab, he has maintained the silence. But today it was a very big move of Parkash Singh Badal that he has returned in protest his Padma Bhushan award, and in fact Sukhdev Singh Dhinsa, another Shromani Akali Dal MP. We are just getting the information that another Shromani Akali Dal MP, Sukhdev Singh Dhinsa, that he also says that he will return his award also. So these kind of reactions we are getting initially earlier from this, we have heard, and in fact there are certain sports persons from the side of Punjab, they're ready to return their Arjun Award, Olympic Award, medals and everything. So it's a big movement from the side of Punjab that is collectively coming to support the farmers. And in this entire issue, that's why the farmers are getting more empowered and in fact getting more support from the side of Punjab. Not only the politicians, not only the sports person, not only the teacher unions, not only the normal people or the farmers, the entire Punjab is supporting. Even the NRIs who are sitting cross in certain other countries also, they are supporting in a very big, massive manner to these farmers who are sitting on the Delhi borders. But the returning of the award of Parkash Singh Badal is a very big move. It may give a big impact to the Union Ministry also. Yes.
Yes, in fact, Amandeep, we've also accessed the letter that Senior Badal, Parkash Singh Badal, has written to the President returning his award. He's saying that I write this letter to return the Padma Vibhushan award in protest against the betrayal of the farmers by the Government of India and against the shocking indifference and contempt with which the government is treating the ongoing peaceful and democratic agitation against the Farm Act. This is a statement, this is a letter that Parkash Singh Badal has in fact sent to the President of India. This letter is dated... It's a letter from today, in fact, and we're getting you more details about the letter that is being sent to the President. When the Government of India had brought the ordinances, assurances were given to us that the farmers' apprehensions on these ordinances would be addressed to their satisfaction when these would be converted into bills and subsequently into acts. Accordingly, I even appealed to the farmers to trust the government's word, but I was shocked when the government simply went back on its word. That was the most painful and embarrassing moment in my long political career. I just cannot put in words the emotional stress which I have been going through since then. I have truly begun to wonder, why has the government become so heartless, so cynical and so ungrateful towards the farmers? It's a two-page letter that in fact Parkash Singh Badal has shot off to the President returning his Padma Vibhushan award. And in fact, due to the Farm Act also, a few months back we saw how the Akali Dal had snapped its alliance with the NDA. Now Parkash Singh Badal returning his Padma Vibhushan award, a precursor to the award Wapsi that was hinted at by the Farmers Union yesterday.